What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got another mod video for the boys. The first two 300 videos did actually surprisingly well. So we got
to the 300 gang.
300 gang going strong. Got like almost 6K views for those two videos combined. So figured why not do another mod, another video for the 300.
This one's long overdue. We're adding some LED headlights to it. Just some plug and play ones, you know, nothing crazy. Just these are like 20 bucks on Amazon or eBay actually. We'll put the link down in the description if you want to pick them up. The headlights that come in the 300s are very ugly. They're like orange and just look like shit. Except for the C headlight, those are LED.
Also, another quick shout out to this mod right here, a little quiet, little guy right here.
Oh yeah. All right, where we work at, someone traded in a car that had these windshield blades on them, and mine were shot, so I just
Little white and black action matches the rest of the car. So right there, obviously you got the classic, just normal, crappy looking yellow lights or whatever you want to call those. So then turn on the C lights, because those look pretty sweet. See, those are the ones that are on just like all the time, obviously. And then at nighttime, the yellow ones come on. What we're gonna do is replace these ones, and then they'll be LEDs.
First of all, let's explain how you get these off and on. First things first, there's these little latches back here. You what do we got here? You twist it, it pops off.
You give him a little twist.
But what's gonna suck is this would be very hard to do without taking everything off, like taking the whole headlight off or moving this, because it's a very tight squeeze. And whenever you're done putting those in, this little cap thing right here is even harder to put on because they're a lot bigger. Put back on.
So you turn this and then it just comes off easy like that. Boom, bingo, bonzo. So that's that new joint.
Yeah.
See, now that is way better than that.
It may look a little funky too because I have a tint on this, so it's not like as clear. But
if we can do anything like mechanical, then you can definitely do it.
facts.
Because we're fucking stupid.
Well, let's focus on the other one. Let's get that one going.
All right.
Before and the after.
The after is, there you go. Just like that. Already looks 10 times better.
Oh yeah.
10 times. We're like a million more times. All right, so here's the deal. Since we don't have any tools, and they kind of messed up when they were putting this filter on, and it's like hard to get to that screw. We can't take the filter off, therefore we can't fit that in there to put that cap back on. So Jude's gonna have to take this back to work and do it.
I definitely recommend, I think it's a must-have mod for your 300. Like I said, it was 21 bucks on eBay. I'll put the link in the description. Protects lights. Very worth it. Easy to install. I mean, it can be difficult, but if I can do it, you can definitely do it. So I definitely recommend it.
Alright y'all, that's gonna do it for this one. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos on the 300 or just more videos about cars in general, let us know. Comment what you think we should do next, what more mods we should do to the 300. Yeah, see you guys on the next one. Peace out.